Hey babes, welcome back to another Vlogmas vlog. Okay, me and Eric are having a date night today. We are going to Swingers in DC. I'm super excited. We both never been there before. Swingers is basically like an indoor like golfing type situation, and then we're probably gonna go get food. I'm super excited. It should be really fun. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss an upload. But yeah, y'all, I will see you guys once we get to Swingers.
Baby, you should get to know me, tapping into that good energy. In the mood for something carefree. Pour a drink, have a seat next to me. Yeah. Touching my skin, got us both wanting more. Breath on my neck, got my clothes all over the floor.
Oh, down goes Fraser. Can you see me? Oh, dang it. Okay, your turn. Get it coming out. Let's see.
Oh, so the goal is to outfit.
Get it in the hole. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Okay.
We just started playing, no more holding back. Done with waiting, got me feeling like a queen, like your lady. Will you love me like that, like that, like that? Yeah, baby, can you stop hesitating? No more second thoughts, stop delaying. Got me feeling like a queen, like your lady. Will you love me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? Will you love it on me like that? Will you love like that? You're like 24 karat. Baby, I'ma let you hold me.
Y'all, so me and Eric waiting for our reservation, and we about to ride this scooter. Pray for us, because baby, he said we could both fit on it. I don't see how, but there's nothing else to do, so we're gonna do this until our reservation. So let's see if this is fun. I've never done it before. About to get the Hamilton, get us some good old, well, I'm getting the district wings because they're bomb. Eric, I don't know, he said he was gonna get some sushi or something like that. Ooh, it's lit. It's ready. Okay, y'all, I'm about to get on here. I need to pay attention to where I'm going, so I'll see y'all in a little bit. Wait, I don't know what.
I trust you'll do great things.
Why is not going?
You gotta go first, like give it a kickstart. Like
Let you see the hidden side that no one sees. Keep it low key, we're making no apology. Cause you had a gun, now you don't. My man let me, I'm all alone. Way better not like Post Malone. Find me in Japan, just like honey. Like it, Japan, you're so yummy, yeah.
Oh my goodness. It's a full spread. These are grilled oysters, district wings, and babe, what type of sushi is this?
Firecracker.
Oh, firecracker.
Touching my skin, got us both wanting more.
Today, me and Eric are actually on our way currently to an ugly sweater making party. I've never made an ugly Christmas sweater before, but you know, it should be fun. So I'm gonna show you guys like what I picked up for us. So I went to Target. Honestly, y'all, they did not have much. Everything was like picked over. So I got us some bows. I got us some little LED lights, and then some like little ornaments to like put on the sweater. Like, Y'all, I was really limited on what to pick up. And then I got this sweater for me. And then this sweater for Eric. Honestly, guys, all the sweaters were like picked over. So this was literally like the last of the last. So we're about to head out now to Eric's aunt's house for the celebration. And then hopefully when we get back, we'll be making our gingerbread house. I'm super excited to make this gingerbread house because I don't know, it just looks fun to do. And when we get back, we're probably gonna be a little lit, so it'll probably be even more fun. I will see you guys once we get to the ugly sweater making party.
I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna change. I don't wanna call you crazy. I just want you to call me. I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna change. I don't wanna call you crazy. I just want you to call me baby. Baby, tell me what I'm lacking. You said it's nothing, but I know that you've been asking. Why you had so many friends tell you to trash it? I told you all about my past, I was crashing. Crashing wasn't never in my plan. Run up on me, run, you catching hands. Mama said be strong, boy, you a man. I am talking mine, I don't give a damn.
Y'all, this is Eric's.
Oh no, get it back.
Show them the back. Okay, front. Let me see the back. Wow, let me get the detail. Nice meeting you too. And his little sad gingerbread man. Y'all, I was just telling Eric that if shopping was a sport, what did I say? If shopping was a sport, I'd be rich. We are about to build our gingerbread house. We just got back home from the Christmas, ooh, girl. We just got back home from the Christmas sweater making party. And of course, you know, hold on, y'all crooked. Of course, you know your girl went home with the grand prize. Okay, baby, I does this. Eric's mad because I won, you know what I'm saying? I won at Swingers the other night, and then I won the Christmas sweater contest. So clearly, I'm just that girl, you know what I'm saying? All right, so these are like the pieces to make the gingerbread house. It comes with a cute icing pack. Then it comes with all these little candies to put on it. So we have to make it look like this on the box. Y'all think we can do it? I don't think so.
This John broke.
You just broke it.
I ain't break it. That John been broke or you broke.
Eric, how it been broke and just gotten open?
Let's put it in the oven.
It's already cooked. I gotta do this for 2 minutes? Wait, I already been doing it for like a minute.
Yeah.
It's been 2 minutes?
No. Alright, so babes, we're going to
we're going to what?
massage the icing.
It looks like just me is doing
for
it.
2 minutes.
My hand hurt. This sweater will look cute on me. I'm gonna borrow it and not give it back.
That's terrible. And that's why you can't let people borrow your stuff.
You don't let me borrow your stuff. You stingy.
I don't let you borrow my stuff.
What?
You're right, you just take it.
Ooh.
Look at you. Yeah, I don't want to eat that.
This is what I have so far, my masterpiece. You want to do one? Since you know what you doing?
I've been doing it the best the whole time anyway.
Who won the sweater making contest? You or me?
Who helped you?
When did you help me? Y'all, look at my lips. They like blue. This is mine. Okay? This is understanding the assignment. This is Eric's. I cannot.
If you need me, I'll be out the way. My brother tryna run up where they stay. Tryna hit a lick while they away. Say be careful, bro, just make sure that you say.
Okay, babes, so I thought about it while we wait the 15 minutes for our gingerbread house to dry. I have some items from Skims that I'm gonna go ahead and try on. And I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm also gonna let Eric like kind of tell me what he thinks of the items, just so you guys can get like a male's opinion. But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and try on my Skims items. This is the box, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these on, let y'all see the outfits and let Eric see the outfits. So it's gonna be like a little Skims haul, a little boyfriend rates my Skims outfits, so I'll be right back. So this is the first set. So this is the Cozy collection. I've never had anything from the Cozy collection. I specifically picked this up when it went on sale. So these are the joggers and this is the tank. The Skims slippers, which are super cute. And these are so soft, y'all. I think these would actually make a really good Christmas gift. Honestly, this set makes a good Christmas gift because who doesn't love like cozy PJs? So I actually really like this. I think this is actually super cute and the material is so soft. I love it. So you think it's cute?
Yeah.
It's attractive?
Yeah, that's sexy.
It's sexy? Okay. So what do you like, on a scale 1 to 10?
With the slides, definitely a 9.
Oh, a 9!
Like a 9.5 for sure.
Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this to the next item. I'll be right back. I also picked up the robe. What do you think of it with the robe? Still cute or
Yeah.
doing too much?
Can you wear that out? Like,
I personally would wear it in the house, but I'm sure like if you wanted to wear like the sweater out or something, you could. I wouldn't though, because the type of material it is, it just feels like, you know, I don't know, it just feels like it's meant for the house. I'm sure there's people who would wear this outside, especially the cardigan part. I feel like the cardigan part you can get away with.
That's what I was like.
Yeah. Cardigan part you can definitely get away with wearing it outside. It's super cute. Now this is, I think it comes with a belt, if I'm not mistaken. It's probably over there. But this is the short version, so they do have like a longer version, but because I'm short, I went for the short version. But y'all, this is so soft. It's literally so soft, so buttery. Like, just slipping into this just makes you feel so comfortable, so cozy. Love this robe because you can just like throw this over anything that you're wearing around the house. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna change the top because I did get another top to go with this, so I will be right back. So same pants, different top. Which top do you prefer? Like, what top do you think looks cuter? This one or the other one? The other one? Really? I like this one a little bit better, but it's definitely more cozy. The other one doesn't have sleeves, so it's not as warm, but with the sweater, you can throw that over top. Bae likes the other one better, probably because it shows more skin. You know, typical man shit. But this is super cute. I really love these joggers. They're really comfortable, cozy, and I feel like they make the body look good without being like super tight or super form-fitting. So I do like that. I like the option of this top, and I also like the option of the other top. So if it's a little bit cooler, I can go for this top, and if it's a little bit more hot around the house, I can go for the other top. But super comfortable, super cozy. Now the only thing I don't like about these pants is they don't have pockets. I'm someone who likes to put my hands in my pockets, so the fact that these don't have pockets is kind of like a bummer, but other than that, I love them. 10 out of 10 for me. But yeah, y'all, I'm vibing with this. Super cute, super soft. Now, like Eric asked, you can wear this outside, I'm sure, but me personally, I just wouldn't. I bought it specifically for lounging in the house, more so like pajamas, comfortable wear to wear around the house. Like when I work from home and things like that. So super cute. Obsessed with these slides. I actually think I might go back and pick these up in like another color because they're so comfy. So love these. And then I have one more item to show you guys, and I'm positive this is gonna be Eric's favorite, like just because I know him. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on the next item, and then I'll be right back.
Hey.
So this is, I believe it's called like the Henley dress. I don't know. I will link it.
Today, my favorite out of
today.
My favorite out of today.
What's your favorite? The slip dress?
Yeah.
The long sleeve one or the short sleeve one? So he likes the soft lounge slip dress. I mean, everybody loves that dress. It's just, it serves body, so it's like real cute, real comfortable, but real sexy at the same time. So this one is just like kind of like a short kind of lounge sleep dress. It's in this cute chocolate brown color that I love. Excuse the gut, y'all. Real bodies matter, okay, period. But anyways, yeah, so this dress is super cute. I love it. I like that it's not super hot,
Breathe.
even though it's long, huh?
Breathe.
Huh?
Real bodies matter.
Real bodies matter, period. Okay. It's a little bit more on the shorter side, but
Don't show them too much. Don't show them too much.
super cute, super classy. Something that your man will probably live. Okay, baby. So this is a good gift to give as well to like one of your friends or, you know.
He'd enjoy this one.
He'd enjoy this one.
Yeah.
The guy in your life.
Yeah, but I
Or
think,
girl. We don't discriminate.
What's the name of the long sleeve one?
Huh?
What's the name of the long
That's
sleeve?
the soft lounge slip dress.
Yeah, he'd love that one more.
He'd love that one more.
That's probably his
I brought that one.
Yeah.
But yeah, so super cute. Love this. It serves body. They have this in like a bunch of colors. Super cute. 100% recommend. Honestly, guys, all of these items that I've showed you would make amazing gifts for the holiday season. I feel like women always need pajamas and things like that.
The whole set, that whole
That's called the
soft
cozy
set?
collection.
The what?
Cozy collection.
The cozy collection? That whole cozy collection would be an amazing gift.
Amazing gift, I agree. So super nice gift for this holiday season. So if you're still looking for gifts, 100% recommend, especially because Skims has really good and fast shipping. So yeah, girl, that's all the items I have. Has it been 15 minutes yet?
Yes.
So it's been 15 minutes. So now let's get back to the gingerbread making. Okay, y'all. So we're back for the gingerbread house shenanigans. Is it dry? Oh, it is dry. Well, kind of.
Why would you moving it like that?
Oh my God, we were supposed to put the top on so it didn't dry.
Damn.
This was your one assignment.
You had the assignment. Ew.
It's coming out.
Ew.
Ew, what? It's icing.
Actually.
When did my scrunchie end up in this cup?
You're scrunchy.
The rubber band that was in.
And you been crushing that
I think it just went in there.
Ugh.
Oh, okay. So is that supposed to clip to the bottom of this? So I guess we need to put the icing on first and then that will hold it. Then where does the chimney go? You broke the house! Y'all, let me prop y'all up so I can fix
Literally.
our broken home. Okay, take the roof off. This is why they say let it dry. What happens when you don't read directions?
Slide it, babe.
I can't.
Baby girl, I know that you've been glad that we ain't living like we was when it was bad. I always knew that you could never be no stray. You held me down when I was I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna lose you. I don't wanna change. I don't wanna call you.
Okay, babes, so we are gonna go ahead and call it quits because it's 2 a.m. and we're both tired and baby, this whole thing just collapsed. So I'm thinking that it needs to actually like sit a good amount of time. So we may come back and finish this tomorrow. We may not. So I may have just wasted $20, but that's okay. So I will see you guys back here tomorrow for Vlogmas Day, girl, whatever it is. Because, baby, I don't even know what Vlogmas Day we on. But I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, babes. So we're back for a Vlogmas vlog day. I don't know, whatever day it is, babes. And so today we're bringing you my YouTube channel.
You don't have a YouTube channel. You're an extra on my channel.
I'm the star of this.
You're an extra.
So you guys,
An unpaid extra.
swing over not unpaid extra. Swing over to my channel, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment on everything I post. Bye, babes.